Okay, so here's the flipped classroom approach explained. Basically, the flipped classroom method differentiates from the common instructional approach by allowing students to receive the majority of their education online and at home, rather than the teacher giving lectures in front of the class. Now the material may be presented at home through videos. Teachers create instructional and interactive lessons that students may now access in advance prior to coming to the physical classroom. Once students have prior knowledge from viewing the instructional videos, they may collaborate their ideas with their classmates and teachers. Continued. Now students come into the classroom with prior knowledge about a topic or concept because they have already viewed the instructional videos provided by the teacher. Furthermore, there is no need for the teacher to lecture on the topic, but instead elaborate more in detail if needed. The flipped classroom allows for students to brainstorm their own questions at home and bring them to the classroom. Here are the benefits to the flipped classroom. Teachers will be able to cater to his or her students on a more one-to-one basis instead of focusing on providing a lecture to all students. Students will also be able to ask more questions since there will be more time. Students will have full access to the lessons provided by the teacher by simply logging in at home. These videos may be accessed anywhere and everywhere, thus allowing students for students to review as much as they would like. Since all students are provided with the same material, they may all collaborate in the classroom from their findings. For those students that like to get ahead, they may be able to benefit from the flipped classroom by working at their own pace, and they may also work independently if that's something they like to do. And those students that are struggling may be given more attention in the classroom because now the teacher will have that extra time to work with these students one-to-one. Teachers are finding that the flipped classroom approach has allowed for more one-to-one engagement between the teacher and student. Students learn to become more independent and accountable for their own learning. Students are collaborating more with their peers, and students are retaining more information. Okay.